Alright, before we get started, I just want to say I hope you all had a great Christmas. Let's jump right to the video. Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alright, time for a channel shout out. I was going to do a pre-mix for proper mix-up. And, oh cool. For the new year to 2023, our first shout out is DC Outdoors. A really cool guy. Of course, his channel will be linked down below, and he has a channel sticker. Alright, so here's DC Outdoors sticker right next to Harshman Hills, Volley Theory, Fab Creations, Expeditionary Johnny, Orion's Peeking Through, Judy in Spirit, Airvan Outdoors, Miss You Brother, Nikki St. Lorette, Southern Patriot, and Mid Tennessee Outdoors, and Mad Dog Survival. Sweet. Well, there we go. This week's channel shout out. All their information will be linked down in the description, and there'll also be something on the end as well. I always put their channel down there. And as always, let's not forget, I tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits clear to our veterans. And also, let's not forget, 22 a day, 22 of our vets take their lives. But, you know, I also want to extend that shout out to our first rescue, firemen, our police, all those people who've served. I thank you. And I also thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.